So guys, before writing code on COVID-19, like how to get data of COVID-19, you have to install these four things: COVID library, COVID19Py library, then two dependencies, that is pydantic and requests. Okay, so to install these things, obviously you can Google that thing. This is the COVID library and this is the COVID19Py library, and this is the documentation of these two. So to install these things, you just need to go into your terminal, and there just write pip install pip install covid. Okay, after installing this thing, you have to install this COVID-19 py. So yeah, so you can see this COVID library is successfully installed. Now we have to install pip install COVID-19 py. So you can see it is also successfully installed, and now we have to install these two dependencies, pydantic and requests. So let's install this pip install requests. This thing is already installed on my device, and now the last one is pip install. Let me just copy it from here. Yep. And this is also installed in my device. Okay, so after installing these four things, now we will see how to write code on COVID library. Okay.